everyone. I hope you are all doing well. I saw that many of you have posted your completed thematic units, so I look forward to looking over all of those and reviewing all of your hard work. So I will be leaving your grades and feedback in Grade Center over the next few days. So it is Module 15. It's hard to believe it's already week 15 of the semester. You guys have worked very hard, and I know it's been a bit of a crazy semester and pretty challenging, but you did it, you pulled through, and this is our last week. So just a reminder, since this is the last week of the semester, it ends a little bit earlier, so the last day of the semester is actually Friday, May 1st. So I need you to complete all of your assignments for this week by midnight on Friday, May 1st. So you have 3 things due this week. If you have not already, please email me the log sheet of hours showing what you've already done. So don't worry about what number it is. I know the semester got cut short for all of us and that you didn't get your lab hours completed. I understand that. That's not a problem, but I am required to have documentation of the hours that you did do. So please, if you have not already, just send me a photo of your log sheet of hours. You can email that to me. And then there's the Module 15 discussion board. So on your timeline, I had put for this week to complete an overall lab reflection. So what I decided to do was just make that your Module 15 discussion board. So for your Module 15 discussion board, I have questions here for you to reflect on. What was your favorite moment of lab so far this semester? What did you enjoy about our class, etc.? So you can see there's a whole list of questions there. So please respond to those questions. That's in lieu of having to do the written overall lab reflection, and reply to at least one classmate by midnight on Friday. Also, you have your test on math and language arts. So please just click right here on this link on Module 15, and there is a 10 short answer, a 10 question short answer test on the math and language arts skills that you've learned this semester. So all of the questions have to do with teaching math and language arts to preschool age children. Okay, so again, 3 things. Send me your final log of hours if you haven't already done so. Complete our Module 15 discussion board, which is your reflection, your final reflection, and reply to at least one classmate, and then complete your test. So if you have any questions, please let me know. It was a pleasure working with all of you this semester. I enjoyed our time together, and I'm sad that it got cut short, but I hope you all have a wonderful summer, and I hope to see you very soon. And I have somebody here who wants to say goodbye to you.
Goodbye.
Come here so they can see you. Come on. Okay. Tell them your goodbyes.
Goodbye, 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 goodbye.
Goodbye. We hope you have a wonderful summer, and I hope I get to see you very, very soon. So take care, stay well, and stay healthy, and we'll see you at the CDC hopefully soon.
Can I say goodbye to my friends too?
Oh, your friends at the center?
Yes.
Well, if any of my students see your friends at the center, tell them Leilani said goodbye. Right?
Goodbye, friends.
Goodbye. Bye-bye.